We start off with coronavirus news. We find out that statistics are showing the Bronx with the lowest percentage of those fully vaccinated across the boroughs. The Morris Heights Health Center continues to provide the vaccination in the hardest hit areas. Our BronxNet reporter, Arlie Makoko, brings us the story.
Meet Rosa Hernandez here with her mother at a COVID-19 pop-up site located at Mount Hope Community Center at 53 East 175th Street. Both are getting their second COVID-19 vaccination administered by Morris Heights Health Center, as numbers by the city showed the Bronx with the lowest percentage of residents that are fully vaccinated. Just your thoughts now. You glad it's over?
Oh, yes. Totally.
Something health technicians here are pleased to hear.
Morris Heights Health Center started from the very beginning, since January.
But the new numbers on city residents fully vaccinated are cause for renewed focus, as the borough's numbers compared to Brooklyn at 45%, Manhattan at 63%, Queens at 57%, and Staten Island showing 48%, show outreach efforts and accessibility need to expand. When I shared this news with Hernandez, whose mother was stricken with COVID-19 and recovered, this was her reaction.
Basically, if you don't feel anything, just come and get vaccinated because we need to get to the end of this. This is the light at the end of the tunnel.
Along with the city opening pop-up sites like this one in early May, where the mayor toured a COVID-19 pop-up van with Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez on Castle Hill Avenue, Morris Heights is doing the same, choosing neighborhoods hardest hit and partnering with nonprofits to provide Pfizer and Moderna vaccines, which require 2 shots, as well as the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which requires just 1 available.
We worked with Bronx Rising Initiative, and together we recognize that, to get people vaccinated, we need to go to them.
Morris Heights Health Center is taking appointments and walk-ins here at Mount Hope. For more information and an updated list of locations, go to mhhc.org or call them at 718-716-4400. The city also has a COVID-19 hotline, which is 212-COVID-19. You can make an appointment at 1-844-NYC for NYC. And for a list of locations, go to nychealthandhospitals.org. For BronxNet, this is Arlie Makoko.
And that's all the time we have for our Bronx updates. As always, you can watch them every week here on Open Wednesday. We want you to stay with us. We've got more news coming up right after this.